Dr. Pradeep K. Suri, illustrates the cognitive cube 3D, 10D AI DNN Engine, which acts as the central intelligence core connecting multiple enterprise data ecosystems and transforming raw operational data into structured analytical intelligence. On the left side, various domain systems feed data into the cube, including enterprise systems, ERP, CRM, HR, finance databases, healthcare systems, HMIS, laboratory systems, air records, manufacturing systems, IoT sensors, production automation and logistics and fleet systems, GPS tracking and transport monitoring. These represent real operational environments where organizations generate continuous streams of data. The diagram shows how these different sectors act as data sources that converge into the cognitive cube, forming a unified intelligence layer capable of analyzing information across domains. At the center of the architecture, the glowing cube represents the 3D, 10D AI DNN engine, symbolizing a multidimensional neural intelligence system. Within this cube, advanced analytics, pattern recognition, predictive modeling, and contextual interpretation take place. The interconnected neural network inside the cube visually represents how the system processes complex relationships between enterprise variables such as operational performance, financial metrics, supply chain conditions, and healthcare or manufacturing indicators. Instead of treating each domain separately, the cognitive cube integrates these datasets to produce holistic enterprise intelligence, allowing organizations to detect trends, correlations, and anomalies that would otherwise remain hidden in isolated systems. On the right side of the diagram, the outputs of the cognitive cube are shown as intelligence outputs, including performance analytics, forecasts and trends, risk and anomaly detection, and KPI metrics with alerts. These analytical results are then passed to Analyzer 1.0, which represents the governance decision layer. Analyzer 1.0 evaluates the intelligence produced by the cube and determines governance actions such as allow, condition, hold, or block, ensuring that insights are translated into controlled, responsible decisions. In the broader context of NeuroGov+, Advanced AI, and the IGA 2026 philosophy, this image demonstrates how raw enterprise data is transformed into governed decision intelligence through a structured pipeline of data sources: rightward arrow cognitive analysis, rightward arrow governance evaluation, rightward arrow actionable outcomes.